Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will introduce an all-in-one iPhone unlock software, PassFab iPhone Unlocker. With PassFab iPhone Unlocker, you can unlock iPhone lock screen, unlock Apple ID, remove screen time passcode, bypass MDM. You can unlock any types of screen lock with Unlock iOS screen feature, including 4-digit password, 6-digit password, Touch ID or Face IDs. With Unlock Apple ID feature, you can easily remove Apple ID or iCloud account on your activated device in different situations. The screen time feature may limit time for apps or block content on your device. And PassFab iPhone Unlock could help turn off screen time without screen time passcode in minutes. If your device is MDM locked, PassFab iPhone Unlocker can help bypass remote management without credentials on your device. This is PassFab iPhone Unlocker. Come and try to unlock more possibilities.